So we have two new vinyls, the rose gold glitter and the white glitter. This is super exciting because we haven't had white glitter and everybody's been requesting it. But today I was told by one of our customers that it wasn't weeding well. She was having trouble with getting the vinyl off of the backing. So I tested it myself just to see kind of how it worked out. And what I figured out was you really should just do reverse weeding because it is kind of hard to weed this vinyl for some reason. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick in case you don't know. So what you do is you cut your decal out, and I like to put a box around my design so that it's a perfect, so you have a perfect rectangle, and then tape the whole thing. And then you want to lay it face down. I like to use a mat, either Cricut or Silhouette, to kind of hold it in place while I do this. And then just peel off the backing. And then you're gonna weed like you normally would, except for off of the tape. And should. And then once you're done, you just put it back on the backing until you're ready to apply it. So it's not perfect, but this vinyl is unlike any I've ever seen, and it's just gorgeous. So it's worth the trouble. That's all.